Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the CyberLink PowerDirector and if it's possible to get a version free or at least very cheap. When we go to YouTube and do a search on that, this is what we get. I'm not going to show you the video, but I'm going to show you the end result of this. When you find the video is really old. It has not been censored. I don't know why. I'm really surprised. When you go into the description, you'll find something. It's pointing to mega.nc or nz, and you can find the thing. I've been downloading this. It still works. You get an exe file. You get a png. That's something here, and you have a readme which then also explains what to do. You have to add like IP links to file and do other things which I don't like. And anyway, I'm pretty sure that this thing is not legit. Even if it works, it could be that it works. I mean, there are some indications, some feedback that this is working, but this is then definitely not legit. I can guarantee you 100%, and I definitely wouldn't do that. And I've also heard that people complaining about infections, Trojanhorse and those things, so I'm not going to install the thing here, unfortunately. I wanted to virus check. You can do this here. You can scan this with Windows Defender, just this single file here, but I wanted to actually scan it online. You can do that on VirusTotal, usually for free, and then it will be scanned by dozens of virus scanners, and you get a much better overview how safe this is. And unfortunately it's limited to I think 500 gigabytes, and this installer is larger, so the problem is we cannot do that. So the only thing is we can scan this with local things, and that's the Windows Defender here. And the Windows Defender hasn't found anything. They just said it contains 24,834 files inside of this installer, and it has found 0 threats. That's at least looking good, but still you would have to adapt your system, something which you usually don't want to do because it can have bad side effects or so. And for me that definitely doesn't look legit, and I wouldn't recommend to install. And the other thing is the version from eBay. On eBay you can find a lot of listings where they are selling this for $2, $3, $4, around that, and they are saying they are fully licensed, like it's legit. It's not a cracked version, it comes with a full license and those things. So when you read this, you could technically then, when you install it and run it, you could say, okay, it was on eBay, it was sold with saying it is fully legal license and so on. You could then do that, and this is what I got. I bought it just for you. I never really intended to use that, but I thought, okay, there's so much demand for that, and I wanted to show you what you get. I bought it for $2, and for me then definitely looked like a scam. I contacted the seller and I told him that this is not an official version, and he agreed on that somehow. Not officially, but he said, okay, I'm willing to give you back 50%. So he refunded me $1. But at this time I didn't have any other option to install it somewhere. Here I'm on a system where I'm not logged into my valuable data. It's a different system, more or less isolated system, so I can easily install this thing here without having to worry that it will delete my data like ransomware or whatever it could be. Worst case, it could destroy this window thing, and I could then set up the window again from scratch so that's no problem. So I'm doing that for you to see if this thing is really working. I mean, it's huge. You can see that 791 gigabytes. It is really very large, and I mean, I can't remember where I had to download it from. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, Dropbox. It was his Dropbox. I think it was a seller from India. Because of the refund, I saw it then. I think it was from Sri Lanka, something like that. And you can find this on eBay every day. I mean, sometimes these listings are deleted, then they pop up again. They are everywhere, so they it looks like they are making some money. I mean, small money, but they are probably selling this in the thousands, so they can probably make a lot of money with that. And the end result is, so you can see that here what's going on. It really says, yeah, WinRAR self-extracting thing here, and it starts really to install. I mean, still looking good at the moment. We are saying, yeah, we want to install this thing. We can even choose the path, agree on everything. That's not looking too bad. So after some time, it even says installation complete, and it looks really good. You can click on this thing and nothing will happen. So, but we get at least Nikon, and of course we can also click on this thing, and then it will tell you, yeah, PDRX system error, the code execution cannot proceed because of DLL was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. I've been looking for this DLL, I haven't found anything. There is even more, so endless problems and definitely not working, and I haven't been able to contact the seller. So for me, at the end, no success, no cheap CyberLink PowerDirector, no free CyberLink PowerDirector, and yeah, I think anyway it's not legit, it's not safe anyway, no matter what you do. When you download from Mega NC, like these links, which we don't know where it comes from, and eBay as well. So if you really like it, still the cheapest version is to go on the website and download I think the PD18. That's still available. You can use that for many years, or you can subscribe to the CyberLink PowerDirector 365, which is of course then more expensive because you have to pay every year. So I'm sticking with the PD16, and it's still really good. I think the PD18 does not provide a lot of more functions, a little bit. Maybe at some point I will upgrade or look for something else, but yeah, that's it for now. A little bit disappointing, but this is how I've been expecting this, and it's just more or less confirmation, but still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions, maybe I have found a cheap version which is legit and still working, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.